patient is this. On the day of my first port insertion, I also had a cardiology clearance appointment across town. I was late, but the recovery room would not discharge me until my x-rays were read. In desperation, just minutes after my surgery, I grabbed the phone, called radiology, and I demanded, "This is Dr. Glazer. I need the chest x-ray read right away on Limor-Schwam." And the doctor said, I got it, I'm ready right now. And I confessed, I said, I confess on both of those people. I learned a great lesson 10 years ago with another cancer I had. After my thyroid cancer, I received many gifts of salts, bubble baths, and soaps. They were so beautiful, I had them on display in my bathtub. I would save them for a special day when one day I would take a bath and relax. One day, a year later, I was ready for my bath. I went to the tub, and they were gone. I asked my husband if he saw them, and he said, "Well, you weren't using them, so I did." Do I always feel great today? Not at all. But I pushed through the best I can. I am okay now. At synagogue this year, during services at Rosh Hashanah a few weeks ago, before the Torah reading, the rabbi told the story of Hagar, the maidservant of Sarah, who was sent with her child into the desert with only a little bread and a skin bottle of water. She was sure her child would die of thirst. God heard her cries. In the Old Testament, these are the words. Vayifkach Elokim et eineha v'tered be'er mayim. God opened her eyes and she beheld a well of water. It doesn't say God gave her the water. And it doesn't say God put the water in front of her. It says God opened her eyes and she found the water. To me, that is profound. I am so grateful to have had my eyes opened to the greatness in our world. The unbelievable kindness of old friends, new friends, medical personnel, other patients, even strangers. I was so excited to share my story with you. The old me could have done this off the top of my head with minimal preparation, but I still suffer from that chemo brain. But so what? I'm hoping I can still get my message across. This story may sound crazy, but it is my true story. I'm the kind of person that needs something to look forward to. When I'm down, I love to travel. It worked out well for me since I was born and raised in New York City, and having the surgery there was in my comfort zone. Your story may not have travel in it. It might not have train rides every week, but find what it is that you look forward to. It might be a massage. It might be reading by the lake. Remember, you make your story great. My life today is still a learning process. I myself have many, many doctor's appointments, now spending time only with the doctors I feel are truly helping me. I have a huge respect for my neuropsychologist, a field I never even knew existed. I'm learning to take good care of myself, and I'm still so grateful and I'm so happy to be here. Please take my advice. Don't wait. Take that bath. Go on that trip. Laugh at yourself looking like Nathan Lane. And so what if you went to the wrong funeral? Concentrate on what you do have. I wish for you that when you are stuck, seeing the rain clouds in your own turbulence, which we all have, I hope you picture yourself on a plane with your face pressed up against the window, seeing that just